I see you're trying to grow on YouTube there. Yes, you're trying, boy. And I'm trying the same. I don't know why, but some of my viewers asked me to make a video how to grow on YouTube, but there's actually like there's no way to grow really, just sort of happens. My channel isn't big, but some of you guys still ask, as I said, so maybe a few tips, gentle tips that could help you out. If you're starting with gaming is a very weird area in YouTube, like when you're trying to grow. So I would say you're better off streaming than recording YouTube videos at first. Because when people subscribe to you when you're streaming, they're gonna check out some of your videos and they're actually gonna like it. Then your videos are gonna start performing well. And it just sort of happens like that. But starting a gaming channel with uploading gaming videos, like, it's not gonna do the trick in 2020. Like, there's so much competition for gaming, especially montages, that like you just can't grow without streaming, in my opinion, unless you have like a group of friends or a community near you. I often see on my channel my talking videos, my commentary videos get way more views than gaming videos. Maybe gaming isn't the thing for my channel, just sort of shows. If you have a YouTube video on your channel which has a lot of views, maybe try to copy the video that has many views. Don't exactly copy it, like re-record it, like the exact same thing. Just try to do something very similar to it. And see if it gets views as well. Maybe if it gets views and you're able to repeat it multiple times, that's probably around gaming or commentary about a certain topic, go. Just milk. I think if you're already streaming, or you have few gaming videos or any videos of any kind, you should start a group on Discord, for example. Discord is very good for starting a server and talking with your community. You can do, I don't know, Facebook groups if anybody uses Facebook still. And just try to make a group for viewers, just to get closer to them. Like, my viewers told me to make this video. I honestly don't know how to grow on YouTube. My channel is still small, but even the big YouTubers say that they don't know how it happens. Maybe just YouTube like recommends their channel more at a certain time and just grows their channel faster. Also, my channel never really had a viral video. Like, my views are fairly low compared to my subscriber count. It's because I switched content a few times, that happens. I don't really regret it because the old things I used to do kind of got boring for me. I didn't really like it. I got to around 1000 subs by only making videos, but then when I was at like 1200, I believe, I started going hard on streaming. I think the last thing is just try to be yourself. Like, do not fake being somebody else on your videos, because then it might get kind of boring for you and just like you might get tired of like from doing YouTube. Be yourself, man. If you have the need to smash a table on stream, do it. If you feel like saying something that you have to say it. Don't fake being yourself. But anyway, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Maybe this helped out, maybe not. As I said, my viewers told me to do it. But this is it for today's How to Grow on YouTube video. Goodbye.